Welcome to Now Vauxhall. Here today we have the Vauxhall CASCADA 2 litre diesel Elite fitted with a 6-speed manual transmission. Finished in asteroid grey metallic, this car is registered in March 2014 and as you can see is on a 14 plate. This car is a demonstrator, so the mileage will increase. The CASCADA is in Insurance Group 23 and has a CO2 figure of 138, which currently equates to a road fund licence fee of only £125 annually. As we take a closer look at the vehicle, this stunning vehicle has the daytime running lights, has the large prominent chrome front grille, and also has front fog lamps. Fitted with 19-inch alloy wheels, the vehicle also comes with colour-coded door mirrors and colour-coded door handles, and also has the chrome trim that goes around the doors. As we move to the rear of the vehicle, we've got the visible chrome exhaust pipe and that large prominent chrome badge. As we take a look inside the boot currently has the fold down bit, but obviously the roof is sitting in there at the moment, and also has the fly screen. The full leather trim really complements and gives it that luxury feel and look. The CASCADA is a 4-seater that will take 4 adults very comfortably. Fitted with electric windows all round, controlled here. The vehicle has electric door mirrors and cruise control and steering wheel audio controls. Fitted with a radio CD player, the vehicle also has heated front seats and air conditioning. USB input for iPhone control or iPod, and again 6-speed manual gearbox. Fitted with electric handbrake and electric roof and sports front seats, the car is stunning. This vehicle will have the balance of the manufacturer's warranty, which can be extended if required. This concludes the presentation on the CASCADA. You can reserve this vehicle online with a £100 no-quibble deposit, or call our internet sales team to arrange a convenient appointment. If you're thinking of finance, we are confident we can beat any high street lender with our flexible dealer funding plans. Thank you for visiting Now Vauxhall.